Why does your scanner show the P07C0 engine code? And what does it mean? P07C0 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine shaft speed sensor, A circuit high. This error code indicates that the PCM or TCM detected an unusually high signal from the input speed sensor circuit. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission input speed sensor, damaged wiring, loose or damaged connector, transmission fluid problems, faulty PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ram, Dodge, Toyota, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.